So when it comes to referral codes, depending on if you're a phone or a computer, it doesn't matter which one. Basically, when you actually sign up to create an account, there'll be an option to actually insert your code just on the screen. Now, on the image of the screen right now, you can basically see when you actually sign up for an account, there's basically this box where you can submit your referral code depending on where you've gotten it. And it'll basically give you an automatic deposit when you actually get started with this thing. And once you've done that, you can basically just set up your account and you can actually have those funds available as soon as your account is ready. Now, sometimes it does take 24 hours for them to show up, but basically when you create an account, that's the only time you can actually redeem a referral code. Because if you've had this thing for a minute, unfortunately there's no way to actually redeem your referral code. Now, if you do actually want to copy your own referral code, how you can do this is you can see right here in the top right hand corner of the screen, you can basically click on the invite friends option right here, and you can basically copy your referral code link. In doing so, you basically get $10 and they get $10 when they actually sign up. But this is only when they sign up, so you can copy this and send it to them, and if they sign up with this, your money will show up in your account like so. I will also link mine in the description if you would like to use my own referral code to get $10 for free completely getting started.